Nestled on the shimmering coast of the Atlantic, Charleston, South Carolina, is a city where history and charm weave seamlessly together. Walking the cobblestone streets, visitors feel the gentle brush of time, surrounded by antebellum architecture that stands as a testament to Charleston's rich and storied past. Ornate ironwork, grand columned porches, and pastel facades line the avenues, each home and building echoing an era of elegance and resilience. The city's historic district beckons travelers to slow down and savor every step. Rainbow Row, perhaps the most photographed street in Charleston, is a vibrant stretch of 13 colorful Georgian row houses just off East Bay Street. The pastel hues bask in sunlight, offering a playful contrast to the fortified old city market nearby. Here, beneath centuries-old brick, local artisans display sweetgrass baskets, jewelry, and handcrafted wares just as generations before them have. No visit to Charleston is complete without a stroll along the Battery. This iconic seawall promenade overlooks the intersection of Cooper and Ashley Rivers, where stately mansions gaze out over the harbor. Live oaks, draped in Spanish moss, provide a leafy canopy, whispering stories of bygone days to those who wander below. Nearby, White Point Garden unfurls as a tranquil park, graced with cannons and monuments, inviting quiet reflection amidst breathtaking views. History runs deep through Charleston. The city was a profound player in America's colonial and Civil War storylines. A visit to Fort Sumter, accessible by a short ferry ride, places you at the spot where the first shots of the Civil War resounded. The evocative ruins and displays bring to life the struggle for unity and freedom. Across town, the Old Slave Mart Museum solemnly preserves the memory of Charleston's enslaved peoples, ensuring that their stories endure and inform generations to come. Yet, Charleston's allure extends far beyond its historical roots. Its blossoming food scene has emerged as one of the culinary pinnacles of the South. Classic low-country cuisine reigns supreme. Think shrimp and grits, she crab soup, and fried green tomatoes. Whether you're seated in a centuries-old tavern with exposed brick and flickering lanterns, or a contemporary bistro where Southern tradition meets innovation, the flavors capture the very essence of the region. Don't pass up fresh oysters, buttery biscuits, and, for the adventurous, a serving of frogmore stew. A local seafood medley, alive with spice and character, Charleston invites exploration with its many other famous attractions. Visit the magnificent Magnolia Plantation and Gardens, whose trails wind through some of America's oldest public gardens. Camellias, azaleas, and magnolias bloom in riotous color, while peacocks strut gracefully on emerald lawns. Boone Hall Plantation, with its breathtaking avenue of oaks, offers a glimpse into plantation life and a chance to learn from stories of both triumph and tragedy. If you crave the charm of a smaller scale, wander through the French Quarter, where art galleries and boutiques beckon from beneath centuries-old archways. The area buzzes with creativity. Contemporary works hang alongside antiques, and the city's vibrant art scene pulses through every gallery. Charleston's waterfronts also promise memorable experiences. Take a sunset cruise in the harbor, or explore the picturesque views from Waterfront Park, famous for the striking pineapple fountain. The gentle lull of waves and salt-tinged air remind visitors that the city's lifeblood has always flowed from the sea. Traveling to Charleston is more than a journey through space. It is a step back into a living, breathing history, intertwined with the flavors, sights, and sounds of the South. Every corner reveals a new story, a treasured recipe, or a whispered secret from centuries past, making Charleston an unforgettable destination for travelers seeking authenticity, beauty, and a true sense of place. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.